What's going on, everybody? So I just wanted to set the record straight about my website because this does bother me, because not only does this, you know, have to do with me, but it has to do with the people that actually created my website. So it's been said that my website is trash. It was done by somebody in Pakistan. I actually have two website guys. One lives in Rhode Island, and I think the other one lives in Washington, Creighton. If you're watching this, my bad, man. I can't remember where you're from. I want to say it's Washington. Um, but if you comment, correct me if I'm wrong. It was not done by somebody in Pakistan. But I just want y'all to see these scores, um, and then compare them to the person that said my website was trash. And as you can see, my website is a lot better. I just wanted y'all to see that, you know, I've noticed everything that he says about me is what he's doing. Like, his website was probably built by somebody in Pakistan, because we already know he hires people in other countries to do his work for him, which, you know, most credit repair companies do that. It's how they make a ton of money. They pay them $5-6 an hour, and the rest is theirs. They make a really high profit. We're not about making a really high profit. We are here to actually help people. Yes, I gotta make money. This is how I make a living. This is how I pay for my so-called $20,000 truck that I wish was $20,000. Unfortunately, the truck cost me $50,000. Not that any of that matters. I don't care about all that money stuff. What I got, I'm happy with who I am. I'm happy with the fat around my neck. That was brought up too. But again, just check out the numbers for the websites, and, you be the judge. And I made sure to screenshot the URL too, so if anybody wants to go fact check me or do a case study, as he calls it, be my guest, debunk it all you want, but all I can say is good luck. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. I got to get back to work. Hope y'all have a great day.